My precious child, remain at peace, for I am the one who governs the impossible. Be still and let your heart rest in trust. I have delivered you before, and I will do so again. Just as winds and waves bow to my command, so shall the storm of doubt within you be hushed by my presence. Draw near to me now, and I will grant the rest your soul yearns for. I will silence the whirlwind of thoughts that rob you of clarity. I long to fill your days with divine peace and guard your nights with unshakable serenity. You are heir to infinite blessings, yet often your eyes are veiled by fear of shadows that hold no power. Do not allow worry to reign in places meant for faith. Be calm once more. Do not lend your ear to troubling news or idle talk. Ignore the noise of the world, for I alone command your future. Even if thousands rise to oppose you, even if your own mistakes weigh you down, do not be afraid. You are my beloved, and I will shelter you in the fiercest storm. When the world trembles, when others grow faint with fear, stand strong, be courageous. Do not doubt, for I have never left your side. These words are not mere echoes, they are my divine whisper to your soul. You feel my hand upon your heart, bringing light to your questions and peace to your spirit. I love you deeply, and I'm showing you this right now. I am removing the scars left by betrayal, the marks etched by those who failed you. None of your suffering is wasted. It has birthed wisdom, forged strength, and deepened compassion. You are ready now, ready to defend the weak and uplift the broken. The hour of your freedom has come. You are my vessel, my light bearer in the dark. But beware, your enemies see your rising glow. That is why they return to unsettle your peace. If you allow them to steal your rest, if you surrender to fear, anxiety may flood back in. But listen well, my love for you is immeasurable, my mercy boundless, and my spirit undefeated. I will not allow you to be destroyed. Even if you falter, I will raise you again. If you stumble into the traps of the enemy, I will rescue you swiftly. If your faith flickers like a dying flame, I will fan it back to life with my truth. No force shall separate you from my love. Not violence nor famine, not sickness nor chaos. In all these things you are more than a conqueror. You have turned from darkness and embraced me. You have declared me as your refuge and redeemer. Your loyalty is unwavering. Unlike those who curse my name in trial, grumbling with every breath, blind to the gifts I pour out. Still, I love them. But I ask you, stay distant from wickedness. Pray for them, but do not follow their path. Keep moving forward. Do not dwell in the same place of fear. Today I pour into you divine courage and strength forged in heaven. Rise with boldness. Stand before your giants. You are a warrior among warriors, a champion among champions. Let my word ignite your mornings like fire. Bring your prayers and hopes to me, for nothing is too great for me. I walk beside you in every battle. I will help you in every step. Hold your peace. Savor the stillness I have placed within you. You are stepping into a supernatural realm. Come closer. This is your place, in my sacred presence. When your knees touch the ground in reverent prayer, the armies of heaven are dispatched on your behalf. I declare peace over your heart. Let not your soul be troubled. Receive my embrace now. Say it aloud. Lord, I receive your blessing. You called upon me, and I have heard. Your life is about to transform. A new heart I place within you, and those around you will marvel. Help will come from unexpected places. Doors of blessing are opening. Remain grateful, for new opportunities are on the horizon. Believe in these words, speak them, share them. Prayer is not complicated. Simply close your eyes and whisper, Lord, I need you, and I will draw near. Have faith. My presence does not leave unless you choose to walk away. In times of confusion, guard your soul from false doctrine. Do not let bitterness find a home in you. Do not slander the innocent. Do not entertain every rumor you hear. Keep your heart free from deception. My eyes roam the earth, seeking those who are faithful and sincere, those who cherish my word and fear the cost of disobedience. I am lifting you up now to strengthen your family, to inspire others, and to stand as a voice of my hope. These words are sacred. Do not cast them aside. If your heart grows weary, return and listen again. Let my voice be your compass. Let my truth live in you. You have asked for peace, and I am giving it to you. But hold tightly to my word, especially when the enemy prowls like a lion. My voice will guide you. My word will shield you, and by it, you will overcome. No weapon formed against you shall prosper. Remain rooted in my word day and night, and you will walk in unstoppable victory.